Right now, free editing software is everywhere, but most of it hides the real cost until you hit export. I know because it happened to me. So I tested the most recommended free editors out there on a real project from start to finish. I found the one that actually free, runs on weaker machines and won't punish you at export. Plus, I will also tell you exactly who it's not right for. So let's start. Click the link below in the description and you will land on Descript's official website. From there, sign up with your Gmail address. Signing up this way gets you 100 lifetime AI credits and 60 monthly media minutes for free, which is enough to actually test the editor before deciding whether to pay for anything. Once you sign up with your Gmail address, you are taken to the main editing dashboard. On the left side of the dashboard, you will see your tools. On the right, there are two main buttons, Record and New Project. Just above those buttons, you will see your remaining AI credits and media minutes. These visible credits and minutes matter because Descript's AI feature like fixing eye contact or cleaning audio each cost credits. If you are trying to stretch a free account across multiple videos, knowing your balance before you start editing helps you a lot. Next to the record button, click New Project. This opens two options, Video Project and Audio Project. Since we are editing a video, select Video Project. This opens a new window where you can upload your raw video file. This is the actual starting point of the edit, and if you are a beginner, there is nothing to configure here. Now upload your video file directly into the project window. By the way, Descript deducts media minutes based on the length of your uploads. For reference, a 3.47 minutes video used 4 media minutes from the free plan's 60 media monthly allowance. This is worth knowing upfront if you are on the free plan, because your available editing minutes will shrink with every upload. Once your video is uploaded, Descript automatically generates a transcript from it. If you want to cut a section, you don't need to scrub through a timeline. Just delete the corresponding word or sentence from the transcript and that portion of the video is removed automatically. If you struggle with a manual, timeline-based long editing process, then this replaces with something closer to editing a Word document. For talking head videos, tutorials, interviews and podcasts, where the spoken content drives a video, this is a genuinely faster way to make basic cuts. On the right side of the editor, click the AI tool section. This opens 5 categories: sounds good, look good, repurpose, publish and write. For actually editing the video itself, you will mainly use sounds good and look good features. This is where most of Descript's one-click automation lives. Instead of manually adjusting audio levels or cropping frames, these categories group the fixes you are most likely to need for a talking head YouTube video. Inside the Look Good tools, click the eye contact option. This automatically adjusts your gaze so it looks like you are looking directly at the camera. In this case, it cost nearly 10 AI credits for this video clip. If you record while reading a teleprompter or script slightly off camera, this fixes the disconnect without you having to re-record. For YouTube specifically, viewers are more likely to stay on a video where it feels like you are speaking to them directly rather than reading beside the camera. Now it's time to enhance the sound. For this, click Studio Sound. This cleans up your audio and reduces background noise. It cost nearly 5 AI credits for this clip, and after applying it, background noise became barely noticeable. You can also control the intensity of the effect by clicking this button. This is useful because bad audio is one of the fastest ways to lose viewer attention, even if the video itself looks fine. This is one-click way to make a normal room recording into a professional one without needing external audio software. Now, if you want to remove unnecessary words, just click Remove Filler Words. then find all filler words and remove them in just one click. Basically, Descript scans the transcript repeated words. In this case, no filler words were found in the section being edited, but if your video has them, they get flagged and can be removed without manually scrubbing through the timeline to find each one. Manually hunting for filler words across a 10 minutes video is slow and easy to miss. This is one of the most genuinely time-saving steps here, specifically because it replaces a task that is tedious to do by hand. Now click Shorten Word Gap. After clicking this, Descript automatically detects long pauses between words and sentences. In this case, it detected many word gaps in the video. This is helpful because long silences make a video feel slower than it needs to be. This tightens the pacing without you having to manually locate and trim every pause yourself. Now move to the Look Good section, which contains 8 options: Quick Design, Eye Contact, Center Active Speaker, Green Screen, Screen Smoothing, Automatic Multicam, Generate Visuals, and Blur Speaker Background. Not every video needs every option here. This step is about choosing only what your specific footage needs rather than applying all of them by default. Now click Green Screen to remove the existing background from your video. This should isolate you from your original background automatically. Here is a quick note: the green screen effect doesn't always give clean results. It's worth previewing this step closely before moving on. This step is optional. Skip it if you are happy keeping your original background. To add a background, just click the Media section, located just below the Captions area, and choose a background layer, either a video or an image. Click on that media file. Move your cursor to the Preview section. Right-click and select Send Backwards to move the layer behind. If you have used Canva before, this layer ordering technique will feel familiar to you. On the left side of the editor, an underline appears beneath the text in your media coverage area, showing which parts of your video are covered by that background, and it is useful for confirming the swap actually applied where we expect it to. So, once you are satisfied with the edit, click the Export button. This produces your finished video file that you can publish. This is the final step in a core editing workflow, from raw upload to a video with fixed eye contact, cleaned audio, no filler words, tighter pacing, and a new background without touching a traditional timeline. By the way, Descript includes several other tools that were not part of this specific edit but are worth knowing about depending on what you are making. These are Add Chapters. This feature organizes your video into clear sections so viewers can see where each topic begins. This is useful if you make longer tutorials where structure helps people navigate your video. Central Active Speaker. It automatically keeps whoever is talking framed in the shot. This matters more for interviews, podcasts, or multi-speaker videos than for solo talking head content. Skin Smoothing. It lightly adjusts skin appearance on camera. This is worth trying if your footage looks rough on camera, though results will vary by lighting and setup. Generate Visuals. It creates AI-generated supporting visuals if you don't have your own B-roll or graphics. This is a capability the software has, though it's not something covered in this particular walkthrough. Blur Speaker Background. It softens the area behind you on camera. This is useful for hiding a messy or distracting room without full background replacement. Captions and Subtitles. It generates captions directly from your transcript. Since a large share of viewers watch video without sound, this makes your content watchable in silent environment. Create Clips. It helps you turn a longer video into shorter clips for repurposing short, so one recording can produce multiple pieces of content for you. Generate thumbnail. This feature allows you to create a thumbnail from your video content as a starting point, instead of switching to a separate design tool. Script writing. This is a built-in tool for drafting or improving a script before you record, but I would recommend that you draft a script of your own. So now I have a fully ready to publish video without using the old timeline-based editing process. This AI video editing software is best for beginner YouTubers, podcasters and creators making talking head videos, tutorials, interviews or screen recorded content who want to cut editing time without learning a complex timeline. The transcript-based editing model, that is cutting video by deleting text, genuinely removes the steepest part of the learning curve for beginners, and one-click tools like Studio Sound and filler words removal handle tasks that are tedious to do manually. It's not built for advanced color grading, complex motion graphics or heavy visual effects. In my testing, the green screen background removal didn't produce a clean result. So, overall, for the specific problem of editing feeling too technical and time consuming, Descript's transcript-based cuts and one-click AI fixes meaningfully reduce both the learning curve and the manual work compared to a traditional timeline editor. However, if you want to publish consistently, then it requires upgrading to the hobbyist plan at $16 per month, which is billed annually. So, if you like this video, feel free to subscribe to this to get real-world testing results of AI tools. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next useful video.